What's up, everybody? Welcome to my partially... Wow, the furnace just came on as I started talking. Hey everybody, it's Kat. Welcome to my partially finished kitchen. I'm doing another grocery haul for you today because we just got our stove delivered and hooked up a couple days ago, so we can cook again. We've been living without a kitchen for about a month and a half. I've really not enjoyed it at all. And I think it's because I've also been living out of like one room, like our bedroom and our office acts as our kitchen, our office, because I work there, so it's always a mess and I've hated it. So I'm so excited. We have cabinets in now, we have a stove in, our countertops being installed in just a couple weeks, as well as our sink, which is so exciting. So we're gonna have a real kitchen very soon. But because we have our stove now, we can actually cook real home cooked meals, which I'm so excited about. Takeout sounds more fun. Takeout for a month and a half straight sounds more fun than it is. I'm craving a home cooked meal, so I'm very excited. So we did a grocery haul to kind of replenish our kitchen because we don't really have anything. Like, we had stuff that we had from the other house, but we haven't really bought a lot of groceries because we've been eating out a lot and getting takeout a lot. So we did a nice big grocery haul to replenish our fridge. So I thought I'd just walk you through what we bought. But first, before I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below, like this video, do all the YouTube-y things. And now, let's get into the grocery haul. Okay, so we'll start with the frozen stuff because it should probably be in the freezer. So I got us some hash browns because I've been really enjoying breakfast lately. So I got hash browns, frozen mango chunks because I want to start making smoothies in the morning or as like an afternoon snack. And I pretty much only eat like one kind of smoothie, and that's a green smoothie with mango and ginger in it. It's a recipe on our blog. We'll link it somewhere. It's my favorite smoothie recipe. It's like the only one I can drink consistently. So I bought mango. Not all of this is frozen. It's gonna be a really random order. I bought chocolate chips because I want yogurt, and my favorite way to eat yogurt is yogurt with frozen mango and chocolate chips and some shredding on top. So I bought some chocolate chips. Caesar dressing, this was the only one they had, but typically I like the, I think it's Earth Island. Follow your heart if you're in the States. I got some smoked tofu and some regular tofu. We're gonna do some stir fries, especially we're gonna have one tonight too. Some sliced water chestnuts for the stir fry. This is also one of my favorite snacks right now, which is basically hot pickled eggplant, or hot pickled mushrooms. They're so good. I'm addicted to them. I wish they came in a bigger jar because I eat this in one sitting. I got the Daiya cheddar block because I'm gonna make that cheesy skillet thing sometime this week. Black olives for that as well. Also a recipe on our blog, so Devin will link it somewhere. And then yogurt, because yogurt is a very delicious dessert, breakfast, snack, all that stuff. And then I got the, I don't know how to pronounce the brand, Zoglos, incredible strips. I've never tried these, but I thought I'd try them. I was looking for Beyond Meat, like the crumble, but they did not have, so I got this instead to just try it because for the recipe I need it. It's basically just asking like beef chunks, so we'll see. Breakfast, the Light Life sausages, I actually really like them, so I bought them. Chicken nuggets, veggie chicken nuggets, because a chicken Caesar salad is one of my favorite things to eat ever. And I got these because I get this rice bowl at Freshie that I really like called the Teriyaki Twist Bowl, and it has fried wonton strips on top. And I've tried to recreate that bowl at home so many times, and I suck at doing it, and I don't know why I keep retrying when I could just buy it. But I bought crunchy wonton strips so that I could, again, try to recreate that bowl and fail probably again. Got some rice Chex because I want to make some Chex Mix. Chips, because snacks. Also, so I absolutely despise Metro because Metro does not have a vegan crouton brand that isn't gluten-free. And I tried the gluten-free ones and I did not enjoy them. They were fine at first, but with the amount of croutons I put in, it's basically like a crouton salad, and that's a lot of gluten-free croutons to eat. So they didn't work. So I bought some sourdough bread to turn it into croutons now that I have an oven and can actually make croutons. Oreos were on sale, so I had to buy them. Oreos are vegan in Canada. I don't know everywhere else, but at least in Canada they are. So we got the dark chocolate Oreo thins, and I was really, I just broke my Oreos. Cool, let's hope none of them, I don't know. And for some reason, I've never craved this before in my life, but I was craving the golden Oreos, so I bought those. And then I bought fake bacon bits because I actually really enjoy these a lot. So I bought them for my salad instead of buying vegan bacon. So for vegetables, I bought broccoli because broccoli is always a great go-to. We also bought bananas because smoothies, romaine lettuce, the optimal lettuce for Caesar salad, dino kale, which is my favorite kind of kale. It's so good. This is the one good thing about Metro is they have dino kale. So I bought dino kale for smoothies and salads and things like that. Bell peppers for stir fries and snacking. 2 of the biggest cucumbers that I've ever seen in my life. They're huge, and I bought them. Some sweet potatoes, pronounced sweet potatoes. Easy snack topping things. I'm gonna just roast them and keep them in the fridge for lunches. Tomatoes for cheesy chicken skillet thing that I make, and snacking. I eat tomatoes like they're apples. Delicious. Lemons are a key ingredient to my green smoothie. Limes, because limes are delicious. Good for stir fries, bowls, sauces, dressings. Green onions, because you always need to have green onions in your fridge. Sugar snap peas, stir fries. I basically buy vegetables that I can put into a stir fry. That is my criteria for a vegetable. And then I bought some cremini mushrooms, some portobello mushrooms. If I'm being honest, I don't remember why I specified 2 different types of mushrooms in my grocery list. I have to look at the meals that I planned, totally forgot. But I got them both anyways, because stir fries and other things. But that's essentially my grocery haul. I haven't stocked up on any kind of pantry stuff. This is largely just meals for this week, snacking, and checks and stuff like that. So I'll probably do, if you want, I can do a future one where I'm stocking up my pantry because I have like a full-on pantry now. Like, it's wonderful. That's it. I'm gonna put this stuff in our fridge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. I'm also gonna do a video organizing my kitchen because I haven't unpacked anything yet. So like where I'm gonna put my plates and things like that. I'm thinking about doing a video like that. We'll see. So let me know in the comments if you want that. But yeah, so yeah, thanks for popping by to our corner of the internet. Hopefully you'll be able to see more of this kitchen soon as it finishes up and we can start filming videos here.